Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make pom-poms. Pom-poms are really easy to make. They might not be the best all the time, but they're really fun to make. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. I will show you two ways to make pom-poms. For the first way, the materials you need are wool and a pair of scissors. Wrap the wool around your fingers. Stop when you think it's enough. Then take it out. Take an extra string of wool. Tie it really tight in the middle of the wrapped wool so that it doesn't fall apart. Then cut the loops in half. And then you want to trim the excess wool so that it doesn't look messed up. Then roll it in your hands so that it gets its shape. Trim it more to make it look perfect. For the second way, the materials you need are wool, pair of scissors, and a big fork. Wrap the wool around the fork. Stop when you think it's enough. Then take a string of wool and put it in the gap, pull it out and tie it tight. Cut the loops and trim the excess. For a multicolored pom-pom, take more than one colors of wool and wrap them around as I've shown over here. Now repeat the same process like I have done either in the first pom-pom or the second pom-pom. And you're done! You can make a big pom-pom and also a tiny one. It's all up to you. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like button if you liked the video and subscribe to stay in touch with my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.